Would you dare to feed a crocodile this close? Nile Nature Park in Mauritius, home to over 1,500 Nile crocodiles. Every day, these incredible predators put on a show of raw power during feeding time. As the keepers approach with food, the crocodiles come alive. Just listen to the sound of those jaws snapping shut. Up to 3,500 pounds of bite force in every strike. This isn't just a spectacle, it's a rare chance to see their natural hunting instincts in action. Visitors gather around the enclosure, amazed by the sheer size and strength of these animals. Some of them are over 4 meters long and weigh more than 400 kilos. And if that's not enough adrenaline, you can even feed the baby crocodiles yourself. At 11 a.m., 1:30 p.m., and 3 p.m., visitors are invited to step up, hold out the food, and watch these young reptiles snap it right from the stick. For just 350 Mauritian rupees, about 7 euros or $8, it's a hands-on experience you'll never forget. Park entry fee is around 450 Mauritian rupees per adult. That's about 9 euros or $10 with discounts for children. The big crocodile feeding shows are included in your ticket, so all you need to do is to be at the enclosure at the right time. Nile isn't just about crocodiles. Your visit helps support conservation projects across Mauritius, from giant tortoise breeding to ecosystem restoration. With Agata Expeditions, you don't just travel, you connect with nature, culture, and unforgettable stories. So, would you dare to feed a crocodile?